Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurkhalida ERISYA binti ZAFRI. So my number matri is 056404. The level of household debt in most countries, especially Malaysia, has increased significantly each year over the past few decades, despite an increase in household wage level. A modest level of household debt helps improve household welfare and beyond promote economic growth. However, if the debt level is very high, it will have negative implications for the household sector and the stability of the economy of a country. The increase in household debt occurs every year even as household wage level increase. This increase in debt usually driven by increasing consumption of debt resulting in a declining amount of household savings. So, the main objective of this research was performed to figure out the causes and remedies of the household debt among households in Malaysia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Nurul binti SHA'ARI and my metric number is 055381. So, our main topic today is about household debts in Malaysia. For the research method that has been used in this study is the secondary data. Secondary data was gathered from reading material such as journal, textbook, research paper, and others. Then, we combine the knowledge that we get earlier with the information from internet and online searches. For example, Malaysian Department Statistic website. From this website, we can see the figures of household spending and income monthly or yearly in Malaysia. Furthermore, direct observation also has been used as the method of the research, as we are able to see that the percentage of household spending exceeds than the monthly income they receive. Among the objective of this research is to identify the causes of household debts and to find the remedies to overcome these situations. So that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is ASHIKIN binti RAZALI with the matrix number 056156. Causes of household debt in Malaysia. The crucial cause of household debt in Malaysia is the house price in Malaysia. There is a positive relationship between the house price and the household debt in Malaysia. It means that the higher the house price, the higher the tendency of the household debt. The second cause of household debt in Malaysia is the lending interest rate. High and low lending interest rates will affect people's tendency to borrow and make loans. The higher the lending interest rate, the lower the tendency of the household debt. High interest rate will make the loans more expensive. Therefore, this will decrease borrowing and spending by consumers since the rate becomes higher and conditions has been tightened. Meanwhile, low lending interest rates will boost borrowing as this will lower the cost of borrowing, making households to afford to borrow and make some loans in order to fulfill their needs and consumptions. Besides that, unemployment rate is also considered as one of the causes of household debt in Malaysia. Unemployment means there will be no monthly salary payment for the unemployed workers. Then, they will be driven to borrow some money and assets as essential for survival. Unemployment situation within households will influence them to take more loans and debt to maintain their current lives, to survive and also to pay for their financial commitments.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is ZAHIRAH ADDAWIYAH binti LUKMAN. Matrix number is 055775. Today I at FARUK Ibu Ani and I will interview 3 person a few questions. Let's go. Hai, Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Boleh saya tanya satu soalan?
Boleh.
Okay, soalan dia, adakah anda berminat untuk membuat pinjaman apabila kadar faedah pinjaman adalah rendah?
Sudah pasti. Sebab sekarang tengah musim pandemik ni, so saya kurang semua pendapatan. Kalau dulu semua pendapatan saya 6 angka, sekarang menjadi 3 angka je. So untuk menyelesaikan masalah tu, saya rasa mungkin jalan yang terbaik adalah membuat pinjaman daripada bank dengan faedah yang rendah.
Terima kasih. Hai, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Boleh saya tanya awak satu soalan?
Boleh?
Okey, pada pendapat anda, adakah harga rumah semasa relevan pada masa kini?
Tidak, sebab sekarang ni harga murah, harga rumah mahal. Jadi orang pinjam duit untuk beli rumah. Sebab kalau sendiri beli rumah kas, orang tak mampu.
Saya faham, terima kasih.
Sama.
Assalamualaikum. Boleh saya tanya anda satu soalan? Adakah anda mempunyai sebarang hutang ketika musim pandemik ini?
Since ni saya hilang kerja, so saya perlu berhutang untuk meneruskan kehidupan saya.
Baik, saya faham. Terima kasih. To conclude, as we can see, there will be more person that will be involved in that because of their current situation and commitment. But different person will have a different decision based on their commitment and necessity. That's all from me. Thank you.
I'm AUNI Binti Muhammad TAJUDIN, number matrix 056468. I will present the remedies of household debt in Malaysia. Malaysian household debt has been reported this year surged to a new peak of 93.3%, so it needs to be cured for a better future for Malaysia. 3 possible remedies, which are payment method, government support, and payday loan. Salary deduction from the debtor's account is a good method to prevent the debtor from spending the salary for other useless purposes. Government support also plays a role to ensure the household debt decreases because the housing price index contributes to the increase of household debt. Government assistance in providing affordable housing can help reduce the household debt. The remedies for household debt in Malaysia is the process of making a loan need to be firm, strict, and consistent. Everyone who wants to take up a loan needs to follow the steps in making sure they are truly eligible. Among the steps that need to be followed are full payment test, principal payoff option, etc. Actions taken can reduce household debt slowly, and each party must play their role to ensure that Malaysia continues to thrive economically.
Hi guys and Assalamualaikum. Number 1, payment method and credit system.
Can you give one method or credit system that you use nowadays?
Online banking, of course, besides salary deduction.
Why it helps you in reducing the household's debts?
It was convenient and easy to deal with. For some basic needs that need to pay monthly especially. Point number 2, government support.
Are you aware about government support in reducing household debts?
Yes,
Can you give one example, please?
affordable housing assistance that reduce the burden of each household, especially for the youngest who want a new house on their own.
Do you want that kind of supports to be continuous?
Yes, for the last point, payday loan.
Have you ever tried on making a bank loan?
Yes, but not approved.
If I say that the amount is quite big for you, do you agree?
Yeah, it's quite big and burden for me to pay back actually.
So it must say that actually it saves you from making a loan that might make you regret later, right?
Yeah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurkhalida binti Ahmad, number matric 055676. I will continue with the conclusion. The objective of this study is to develop the cause and remedies which result through Malaysia overall home debt situation. A substantial number of Malaysia households are still afflicted with debt issue. Those cause and remedies are two factors that are linked to determine how to improve Malaysia household debt. Housing price index, lending interest rate, and unemployment rate are the main cause and factor of the increase of household debt in Malaysia. So the government should be more firm in approving the loan making process. We have suggested a few remedies to handle those situations, with 3 possible remedies, which are first, payment method and credit system, second, government support, and third, payday loan that slowly help the economy of Malaysia become better. In conclusion, household debt in Malaysia can be reduced by expanding the way the debt is financed. Direct salary deduction is also a good suggestion. Credit system also need to play a role by reducing the amount of credit cards when late payment. In addition, government support also play an important role in ensuring that household debt decrease. This is because among the cause of the increase in household debt is the housing price index. Expanding the way the debt is financed, government support, and approving the process of making a loan are needed to give a high level of efficiency in resolving this issue. Besides, the process of making a loan need to be more firm, strict, and regular. As been said, all parties must play their role to ensure Malaysia continue to thrive economically. With the action taken, hopefully can reduce household debt slowly. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.